Assalamu alaikum. I'm Asan Balaj and I welcome you in this new video. I'm very excited to share my new update in the AI resume analyzer. In today, I build another feature in my AI resume analyzer. Let's see it. So guys, here is the new update you are seeing in my application right now. I will refresh it for you. So yeah, yesterday this was the only feature that you can paste a text in it, but today the new feature I have just added in it, that is an upload file. So you can just upload a file resume. Here is my resume and I can this is the really this is my resume I have built twice before, so I'm just checking either it works or not. Okay, so here is what, yeah, it is just I have uploaded my file and here is the another role for it. uh, yeah, backend developer. Yeah, full stack, I can say it is full stack, and just I will analyze it. So we will wait that it should analyze it. So it is analyzing, parsing the document, then analyze content analyze, then skill assessments and the role management. So far then we will see the result of AI resume analyzer, that is it well or not. Just we will wait for it, that what happens. Okay, so you can see that this functionality is not working today, but I don't think so that this darkness is necessary, because my focus is to build the AI resume analyzer. So this functionality is not working yet, but I'm not focusing on this as well, just waiting. There should quickly be done anymore. Yeah, skill assessment. And by the way, this is taking too much time because I'm not using any uh, I'm just using a open source, what we say that uh, API. So this is why it is taking too much time. uh, if I paid an API, so it will be the most easiest way. Okay, but you know that it is not the time to purchase the API. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it analyzes. Huh? It's great time. So what he has done so far, here is the thing that you can say that the NLI here as this positioned well mean. Okay, overall impressions is just written that Asan resumes show enthusiasm for the web development and teaching. Now what are the key areas for improvement? It is the at first it define the strength, then weakness and the fix. Look, unprofessional email, it is addressing it. And LinkedIn URL is broken, this is also addressing it. The summary is too cool, casual, yeah, replaced with the professional ceremony. And you can see that this is the great thing, that it shows weaknesses and fix. How to fix it? Yeah, this is an option. First, the skill is too wage and unstructured, then a strength, weaknesses. So guys, this is, you can see that how beautifully this new functionality has been inserted in this application. Before it was user was just allowed to paste a text, but today he can upload in file and wait for the also you will see this update, and it's better way to learn and share with you, to show that what I'm doing right now in the field of AI. So it is my very first AI application that I am building.